Supreme Court on Friday orally reiterated that deletion from the electoral roll after the Special Intensive Revision SIR exercise will not automatically result in the loss of the citizenship status. A bench comprising Chief Justice of India Surya Kant, Justice Joy Malia Bagchi and Justice V. Mohana was hearing a petition filed by Prasenjit Bose seeking various reliefs to streamline the hearing process in the appellate tribunals constituted to hear the appeals of SIR excluded persons. The Apex Court pointed out that it had made it clear in the Bihar SIR judgment that the ultimate authority to determine citizenship was not the Election Commission of India, and the removal from the electoral rolls cannot by itself result in the deprivation of citizenship. In the hearing, Justice Bagchi observed that the Election Commission of India is not the constitutional authority to determine citizenship under Articles 9, 10, 11 and 12 of the Constitution. The court relisted the matter for further hearing along with the batch of pleas against the West Bengal SIR.